Today I will show you Klipsch CDT 5800C2 in ceiling speaker review video. CDT 5800C2 is an in-ceiling speaker designed to meet the market's demand for a high-performance loudspeaker that easily challenges space limitations. This speaker comes with a frequency response of 49 Hz to 23 kHz and sensitivity of 3 dB. This is the kind of speaker you would comfortably put outdoors to enjoy your music as you carry out other activities. This speaker is constructed with horn-loaded technology. This technology uses an acoustic horn that improves coupling efficiency between the air and speaker driver. Pros: paintable frames and magnetic grille. Updated with the latest technology. Good for outdoor sound systems. Excellent vocal clarity. Lightweight. Ability to switch between high and low frequencies. Easy to install. Enjoy an integrated whole-house speaker with an incredible performance. The speaker utilizes controlled dispersion technology and horn-loaded technology to give you an outstanding performance. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.